What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Bern and Duyon once again for another episode of financial education or financial literacy dito sa Bern to be you. And for today, we're going to talk about PSEi. What happened now to PSEi? What happened now to the Philippine economy? And pag-usapan natin yan dito sa Bern to be you. So guys, yun na nga. Pag-usapan natin, ano nangyayari ngayon sa economy ng Pilipinas. So, just last week, no, the Bangko Sentral of the Pilipinas, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas at the PSEi, issues that the second quarter gross domestic product become negative 16.5, and that's a huge drop for the gross domestic product. And honestly, it's not only about the Philippines. It's a global economy that's affected by this pandemic, because of this coronavirus. Pero ano nga ba yung mga naging dahilan? Is it really by pandemic alone? O baka may iba pang mga factors yan? And kailan ba talaga nagsimula to? Is it just because this just started this year? O baka meron pa tong dati pang pinagmulan? So, yan ang pag-uusapan natin. But bago yan, I encourage you to hit that like button. At kung hindi ka pa nagsasubscribe, please subscribe to my channel and hit mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga videong ina-upload ko. So, pag-uusapan natin yan dito. So guys, ito na yung tinitingnan natin ngayon. No? Ayusin ko lang yung camera. So, as if you notice, recently, naglabas ng disclosure o ng announcement itong PSEi, which is 16.5 in the second quarter of 2020. No? Negative 16.5 is quite huge. But, marami nagsasabi, it is because of pandemic, and of course, yes, it is from pandemic. And most of it's not only in the Philippines, no? It's also part of the global. No, nobody wants this to happen, but the reality, it's happened. Pero if you will notice here, by the way, our market closed at nag-close tayo sa 5,800. Ito, 5,846 to be exact. And this week, sorry yeah. And if you will notice, this week, talagang bumagsak yung market. So, sobrang bagsak. And imagine nandito na tayo no? Nandito na tayo, 6.3, and then, currently, 5.9. Pero alam mo guys, hindi naman talaga yan yung, hindi yan yung nangyari. Hindi yan nangyari. Yan yung nangyari, but it's not because of pandemic alone. If you notice, this is a 10 years chart ng PSEi. So imagine this, lahat yan from 2011, no? We go straight up to we reach the all-time high, which is the 9,000 index. That is in November, that is in January of 2018. So imagine, 2018, meron na tayong all-time high. After hitting the all-time high, the 9,000 index, then starting ng 2018, it drops, and that continuously drop. You see? So we try to penetrate this support at the 8,200, and then every time we hit the 8,200, we hit that one. Tatlong beses natin na hit yan, no? So 8,200, you see? Lakayan natin konti. You see that chart? Ayan. So after hitting that 8,200, tatlong beses yan. Somewhere in 2019, in July 2019, and in November. So, after hitting that one, guys, continuously nagda-drop na yung market. So, imagine this as a strong resistance. But, nung pumasok yung 2020, somewhere here, so let's see the 1 year. So, pagpasok ng 2020, which is eto, ayan, nag-sideways tayo from this point around 7-8 and it goes down. So, if you will notice, pababa talaga yung market natin. Right? So, sobrang pababa yung market natin. Hanap tayo. So, hindi talaga siya ayun lang or it's not because. So, if you will notice, ano ba ito iikot? Talagang hindi ako sanay. By the way guys, kung nagtatanong kayo bakit I always use Investigram. So because guys, if you're new or if you want the one-stop technical analysis, you can use this one. And one thing, I don't want to show, hindi naman talaga ako nagpapakita ng portfolio. And I don't want to use that portfolio para I don't know, a lot of people showing, they want to show their portfolio, but for me, no. I just show you everything what I want to show in the chart, but not my portfolio. Kasi yung portfolio para sa akin, bakit ko kailangan ipagyabang? Ay, o ipakita, no? Ay, dalawa lang naman pupunta yan. So, let's see, no? If you're going to check the Fibonacci, i-retrace natin to. Here, this is a all-time drop. And tignan natin yung all-time hit, yung 9,000. And you will see here, no? Currently, usog natin to para makita nyo kung nasa yung current situation natin. So, we need to hit trading 5,900. So, that is our 61 Fibo. So, once we hit that one, the next support is 6.5. Actually, just recently, no, na-break natin yung resistance natin na almost 5.9 or almost 6,000. Just this week, just last week, we resisted this one. So, what will happen now? So, this is, guys, again, this is just my projection. This is just my analysis. No? So, what will be the potential things to happen? Of course, it depends now on the ECQ in the government strategy. So, I show you that since 2018, talagang drop na yung market. And we have a strong resistance at 8283. Somewhere here in this level, we try to hit. If you will notice this one, head and shoulder, then nag-drop. So, now, what will happen now? What is our analysis here? So, if you will notice, no, if the market, lakihan natin konti if the market drops, if this market kung patuloy na bumaba, we expect something in 5,000 index, 5.1. So that's our, as per Fibonacci. So if this goes, they need to break, kailangan natin bumalik sa 6,000 index, sa 5.9 actually, sa 5.9. So, hopefully, by this week, coming week, mahit niya. And we need to break this, which is, 6,500. So, we need to break that one para bumalik tayo. And actually, malayo pa lalakbayin natin. Malayo pa itong lalakbayin natin because our goal here is 9,000 index. So, what will be the scenario, guys? What will our expectation for this? Expectation natin, once na makarecover tayo sa pandemic, it will take 2 to 3 years for fully recovery. Kasi kahit makarecover naman tayo ng makakuha ng vaccine. You know guys, the number of cases in the Philippines is not a joke anymore. No? We are number one in Southeast Asia. Pero, kailangan ma-stabilize muna yan as if you don't, if you watch one of my video regarding the pandemic and its effect on the economy, how it can be sustained. So, kailangan ma-bend mo talaga yung curve. And basically, guys, we did not bend the curve. It's continuously increasing. So, in order for you to masabi mo na you bend the curve, you need to flatten it in the top. Then, once it stabilized, flatten the top, slowly, dapat bumaba yung number of cases. If that does not happen, and then, again, we will be in 5-1. Remember, our last is eto. What is this level? 4,000. So, guys, pagka hindi pa tayo nakapag-sustain, see you at 5-1, and the next level is here. No? In this level. It's in this level. Kailangan makita natin yan. So, that will be our worst, no? Pero, kailangan dito pa lang, bago pa natin ito marating, etong 5-1 na to, kailangan mag-bounce na yan. But hopefully, actually, yung next na Fibonacci natin is 5-9. That is what you call, this 5-9 is the 6-5. Pero kailangan nating target is ito. So, guys, if you will notice here, so yan, ito yung poise natin. So, yan yung tinitignan natin So, at this point, and also at this point, kailangan, ayan. So, imagine, 3 point yan. So, we have a head and shoulder here. Also here. At dito pa. So, yan yung flow natin So, if you will notice that, guys. So, yan. So, eto yung strong resistance natin. It's far from this one. Pero bago natin ma-hit yan, we need to break this 5-9. Kailangan mag-sustain tayo o umangat tayo because currently, wala pa tayo sa 5-9. Currently, nasa 5-8 tayo. Right? So, ito yung level natin. So, guys, this will be a challenging year for us. And so, the question is, are you going to invest now? Are you going to invest? Alam mo, a lot of people will ask me if it is this the best time to invest. You know, guys, I still believe that when you are kapag ka nagpa-panic, if there's a fear, that's the best time to invest. And again, dito mo masusubok how your finances is. If you have, may bala ka pa, buy. But wait on this, yung mga sinabi kong level. So, guys, I hope you learn on this video. And again, cannot predict. Actually, we are not predicting the market. We analyze the market. That's two different things. We cannot predict. Nobody can predict the market. Because if we only can predict, the market, marami na yung maman. We do the analysis. But of course, market sentiment is different from your analysis. So, kailangan ready ka. You have to option na if this goes here, bounce here, so dapat ganun. So, yun yung mga dapat nating pinag-aaralan. So, basically guys, yun yung makikita natin. And ano pa ba pwede nating ipakita sa inyo? So guys, we expect here, no? Imagine here, kung gaano tayo kalaking, how much drop na talaga yung inabot natin. Imagine how much is our drop range. So, nandito tayo, 2018. And now, anyway, nandito tayo, current price. We are 35% drop, 35.36% drop. Kung makikita mo pa nga yan, kung i-forecast mo pa yan hanggang dito, kung saan tayo nagkaroon ng 52-week high, we actually drop by 55%. So, ang laki-laki na din drop natin. So, guys, once again, sinasabi ko lang, it will take time to reach this bottom, this 9,000. It will take, for me, 2 to 3 years. But we need to hold in 6,000 level. We need to hold in this level. On this level, we need to hold. And then, kailangan nating ma-reach ang 7,100. Ito, once we hit that, that's the best time na makasabi nating recovery tayo. And again, it all depends now here on the pandemic and the government action on this, what will happening now. I'm not saying na government will the best, but kailangan may mga protocol, may mga plan na sila on how our economy recover. Although it is not Philippines alone, globally, this is the issue globally, this pandemic. But if hindi tayo gagalaw, it will take time. So, I hope you learn from this video, guys, and I hope nakatulong. So, see you next vlog, and sana kung may dagdag kayo, comments below, and I accept criticism, I accept comments, but please don't bash. I don't bash anything. So, sana wala tayong bashing dito. So, yun lang, guys. So, thank you. Until next video. So, yan nga na, guys. So, if you learn much from this video at kung may mga gusto kang madagdag o gusto mong idagdag dun sa napanood mo, please comment below. At kung may mga gusto ang pag-usapan natin dito sa channel ko, comment ka rin. Baka makatulong. At kung nakatulong sa itong video na to, please hit that like button, subscribe, and smash that notification bell para updated ka sa mga videong ina-upload ko. At syempre, mas mainam kung i-share mo na rin so that more Filipino would understand about investing or might be encouraged to invest in the Philippine economy. So, once again, guys, this is Bern nagsasabing bawat Pilipino may kakayahang umasenso. God bless you.